And that's not going to change anytime soon, so you're free to do whatever you want. It's like prison. Nobody's married, nobody's gay. Maybe feel better. Thank you. And you act like it's the first. You're welcome.
Oh, please don't tell Adam.
Why would I tell him you're cheating on his brother? He would see it that way. I don't. Keep on it. How much you love something until you give it up.
You realize you're talking to a table full of addicts.
I don't see the connection.
So, Christy,
Because you're you. I can do it. Manny can do it. Can do it blindfolded and how. Where are you headed?
Cooper's.
Dressed like that?
That's the beauty of this thing. It requires virtually no effort.
Could you pick up some soup? Everybody loves a nice, hot, sexy bowl of soup.
Yeah, soup would be great.
Pretty secure.
Got it. Coffee and soup.
Oh, you twist it this way. We take that, slide it,
Adam,
then
I
you
lied.
twist it back
I wasn't with Wendy.
to make it tighter.
I was with a guy.
Guy?
The guy who isn't your brother. Yeah, I've been seeing
Secure.
Patrick, but I've also been doing this other thing. And
Just do the same thing. Twist this, make sure it's up all the way.
Oh, I forget my brother right now.
Twist
Tempted to call him
that.
up and rub his nose in it.
Whoops.
you can't.
I won't.
Good, because I really like him.
Must we had to burn the carpet.
Put this in there.
I hope you don't think less of me.
Christy,
From school. It's supposed to be casual.
built for a relationship. I'm not a relationship.